Hi, welcome to Our Math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on exponential functions. In this video, what I want to do is I want to build a function for a situation. This is the next step before actually solving problems. So in this one, you were told you have a population of Smallville, which is 21,500 people. Because of the loss of jobs, the number of people living in this town is decreasing by 2.5% every 3 years. And what we want to do is we want to write this equation as a 1-year equation. So what I'm going to do is first I want to talk about how to go from 3 years to 1 year. Because 3 years to 1 year is a fraction of the time, what I want to do is whatever my multiplication factor is, I want a fraction of it, I want to take it to the 1/3. Okay, well my multiplication factor is this decreasing by 2.5%. If I'm decreasing by 2.5%, I'm taking 100% and subtracting 2.5%, which the way we are going to write this, I'm not going to actually do the subtraction yet. The way this gets written is we take each of these numbers as a decimal, so 1 minus 0.025. This would be the multiplication factor for 3 years, but what we're looking for is the multiplication factor for 1 year. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this number and take it to the 1/3. If I take that number to the 1/3, I'm going to end up with 0.992. Okay, well now I have everything I need to solve this problem. There are two ways I could write this. I could say the population of this town over time is 21,500 times, and I'm going to come back up to this original one and say this 1 minus 0.025 to the t over 3. So I could write it that way. I could write it with an altered exponent, and then in that case I wouldn't have actually had to have done this calculation. So if this was setting up an equation without a calculator, this would be my only option. But if this was something I was going to use a lot, I would probably change to the altered function so that the population over time is, I'm going to start with the same initial value of 21,500, but now I'm going to have my altered 0.992 to the t. If you think about it, since this is 1/3 of this, if we put in 3 here and we put in 3 here, we would end up at the same place. So both equations allow you to put in t in terms of years. One, we just did the manipulation beforehand, and one, we do the manipulation after. Thank you. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks!